Hello, my name is Rachel with Guru Dental, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to get the web embed codes so that you can embed Guru Teach animations onto your website. The very first thing that you need to do is go to www.thehouseofguru.com, and once you get there you're going to need to log into your account. In order to do this, you will need your credentials for thehouseofguru.com. If you do not know your credentials, please call us at 888-331-4878. Once you have your credentials, click on Login up here at the top. And then it will ask you for your email address and password. Put that information in and then go ahead and click on Login. Once you have logged into your account at thehouseofguru.com, go up here to this top blue bar. Once you put your mouse over it, it's going to drop down and give you a couple of different things to choose from. Go ahead and click on Animations. And that is going to bring you to the library of Guru animations. Once you find the animation that you want the embed code for, all you have to do is click on it. And it will open up in another window. Once you have it opened, notice below the animation that there's the word Embed with arrows next to it. Click on the arrows and that will expand down, and then you can see that there's some code that you can copy right here and put into your website. And then the animation will be embedded into your website. Now the other option that you have is to embed an entire presentation that you have created. To do so, you're going to need to go to your Guru Teach software and then create a presentation that you want to embed. I have an example here on the right hand side of a presentation. What I'm going to need to do first is to go to the bottom of the presentation pane so that this toolbar pops up. And then I'm going to click on the email icon, and then I need to email this presentation to myself, or really to anyone. It's a good idea to change the title to Web Embed. And then I'm going to email this to myself. And then I'm also going to make the subject Web Embed as well. And then just go ahead and click Continue. The progress bar will turn white, and once the box disappears, that presentation has been emailed. Once that is emailed, go back to thog.com and click on My Account. Once on My Account, go to the left-hand side and click on Email History. And that is going to bring you to all of your presentations that you have emailed. So at the top right here is the presentation we just emailed, and that says Web Embed. We want to click on this presentation, and then notice at the bottom of the presentation that you have code that you can copy and paste. And it will show the entire presentation rather than just one animation. And you can put that code into your website. And that is how you get the code to embed animations onto your website. I hope that this tutorial video has been helpful. Thanks so much for watching.